Hey there guys, today we're going to paint in Vatanis the Warlock from Reaper miniatures to the core level standard. First thing we want to do is grab a scalpel or other sharp blade and gently trim the casting line off of the model. Make sure you take care during this step to avoid injury. I've base coated the entire model with carbon grey using my airbrush, but you can easily do this by hand if you prefer. Use crimson red to paint all the areas of skin on the model. Next, use aged bone to paint his horns, the fangs on his necklace and his bony staff. Paint any areas that would be metal with cold iron. Now, mix up some carbon grey and aged bone together and use this to paint the base. Also use this mix to paint any leather pouches and accessories on the model. Now we'll move on to the washes. Dilute the carbon grey and aged bone mix we just made with some water and wash this over any bone areas on the mini. When that is dry, tidy up any areas where it is overspilled with the appropriate base colour. Now water down some carbon grey and wash this all over the red, grey and silver areas of the model. And with that, the model is done. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos and we will see you soon.